Looking to boost your gaming rig's speed while adding a splash of vibrant style? High-performance DDR4 memory with built-in RGB lighting offers just that, powerful performance combined with stunning visuals from 10 ultra-bright, individually addressable LEDs on each module. It's not just about looks, it's about what you get under the hood. This memory isn't just fast, it's smart. Thanks to Corsair's iCUE software, you can synchronize lighting effects across all your compatible devices, fans, coolers, keyboards, and more. Choose from millions of colors and patterns or design your own unique lighting profile that fits your setup perfectly. It's about control and personalization that matters. Installation is a breeze. These modules are compatible with both Intel and AMD DDR4 motherboards and require no extra cables, ensuring a clean, seamless build. The custom performance PCB guarantees the highest signal quality and stability, while carefully screened ICs unlock extended overclocking potential for those who want to push their system further. Heat won't hold you back either. Each module comes with a built-in aluminum heat spreader that keeps temperatures low, even when you're running at max performance. Plus, support for Intel XMP2. 0 means you can achieve optimum speed with a simple one-setting installation. No complicated tweaks needed. One user shared how upgrading from 8 GB to this DDR4 memory doubled their RAM capacity, cutting system load in half during intense online gaming sessions. The result? Smoother gameplay and a noticeably improved experience. And with prices more competitive than major retailers, it's a smart investment for any gamer. Beyond performance and style, this DDR4 memory comes with a limited lifetime warranty, offering peace of mind alongside cutting-edge technology. Whether you're building a new system or upgrading an existing one, this memory delivers reliable speed and eye-catching design that lasts. If you're ready to enhance your gaming setup with fast, reliable memory that looks as good as it performs, this DDR4 RGB kit is worth a look. Seamless installation, customizable lighting, and solid overclocking support make it a standout choice for gamers and PC enthusiasts alike. Try it when you're ready to experience smoother gameplay and a more vibrant system. With Corsair's DDR4 RGB memory, what you get is more than just speed, it's a complete upgrade to your gaming experience.